Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another organizational video. It's also going to be a makeover. I already knew that I was going to make over this room, so I had all that there. But it just needed another look. I needed to fix some things like those holes. And yeah, so that's what's going to be today. I bought some stuff, some decorations, as well as some bins and organizational things. So yeah, if you want to see what this laundry room turned out to be, then keep on watching. After I emptied out the room, I went ahead and started to patch up the holes that I wanted to cover. I am no way an expert in any of this, but I defend myself. When I was patching up the holes, I noticed that there was like a lot of like, not dust, but those webby looking things. So that's me just cleaning it up. I wanted to do a little DIY with this beverage dispenser that I got a while ago at Walmart. It's a Thanksgiving one and I never really use it. So I spray painted the top and the actual dispenser part, and I'm covering this give thanks with chalk contact paper. These dispensers are really cheap. They run for like $5 or less, so it's a affordable DIY. While the dispenser was drying, I went ahead and painted over the walls. The parts that I patched wasn't completely dry because that pink has to be completely white, but it worked out anyway. I was able to paint it over. Like I said, I am not an expert, but I just do stuff. I also took advantage and painted over some parts that needed to be painted over. There were some stains, some black stains. I don't know, but I just painted over it. I also did a little DIY with that same paint. I grabbed red paint that I had and I converted it into pink because I wanted to do some stripes on that wall. And yeah, so if you have white paint and red spray paint, it worked out really well. It doesn't show it in the camera, but it's very pink as you can see. I wanted to do some lines and I didn't want like super symmetrical lines with like, you know, super even. I just went ahead and whatever it turned out to be, I left it like that and I actually really liked it. I also wanted to cover this, and I remember that I had some contact paper that I originally got for the kitchen, but it wasn't enough and I decided not to use it. And voila, it actually looks really good and so much better. I wanted to cover this as well with like a curtain, but I'm not really sure if you can do that, so I just left it alone. And now for the decorating part. And for the finale, this is what it turned out to be. This is where I keep my, or where I put my dirty laundry. And that's exactly where I put the laundry room. Drop your drawers here sign that I got at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, then when you walk in, I have all my laundry detergents and my softeners and my dryer sheets, and these are all the caddies, things, the cleaning supplies, and also a little caddy where I can take around the house. So this is something that I use all the time, and then whatever I don't use, it's all the way in the top. But yeah, I really like the way this room turned out to be, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, that way you don't miss a beat, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone.